In 1992, somewhere in South Africa, a recent obstetrician gynecology grad was deciding between an academic career and solo rural practice in the northern BC town of Prince Rupert. Hitting the wrong number on an elevator in his training hospital led to a chance meeting with a stranger from that little town on the other side of the world. Dr. Marius Pienaar chose adventure and with a wife and 3 young sons moved to the unknown. It was a decision that for the past 21 years has transformed women's health services in Prince Rupert and surrounding First Nations communities. A staunch advocate for women's health, Dr. Pienaar goes beyond routine care and considers the full spectrum of patients' lives, resulting in improved health outcomes. He championed the North Coast Maternity Clinic to address physician shortages and improve prenatal care. At the time, the clinic was the only model using a multidisciplinary approach, providing access to lab services, ultrasonic, diabetic care, dietitian services, tobacco screening, mental health and addiction support, high-risk obstetrical care, and parenting support. He introduced innovative changes and techniques to the operating room to bring cutting-edge technologies to a rural setting. For some services, Prince Rupert is the sole rural provider in the province. He provides education and training to help healthcare providers offer full-scope services, often on his own time and without recognition. He hosts public education forums on current medical topics such as cancer prevention, hormone replacement, and the need for teenage HPV immunization. More recently, Dr. Pienaar took on the position of Chief of Staff, a role that had been vacant for 4 years. Dr. Pienaar acts as ambassador for recruitment and retention, supporting those already in the region and opening doors for those who may wish to come to rural practice. This theme of going above and beyond extends to the dramatic, from scaling 8-foot fences from a ferry dock in the night to attend an obstetrical emergency on Haida Gwaii, culminating in a hair-raising helicopter evacuation, to the day-to-day tasks that often go unnoticed. As a colleague sums up, Marius is heroic. Dr. Marius Pienaar, for your steadfast commitment to improving health services for women on the North Coast, and for inspiring commitment to these services through your exemplary leadership, we honor you today as a healthcare hero for Northern Health. Generously supported by Pacific Blue Cross.